We're going to make an Edison light bulb out of these simple components. We have wires with two clips to hold the filament. We have a 6-volt battery to supply the power. And we're going to cover the whole thing with a jar to create the light bulb. We'll make the filament out of picture hanging wire. We unwind a strand so it's nice and thin, and we'll cut it and then twist it into the filament. We clip it to one wire on one side and the other clip on the other side. That completes the circuit. Next, we connect to the battery the negative side to the black wire, and when we touch the red wire to the positive pole, electricity will flow through the filament and it should glow. Notice how it glowed and burned out. This was one of the problems Edison had. To get around that, we're going to do kind of what Edison also figured out. In order for something to burn, it needs oxygen. So we're going to try and eliminate the oxygen by putting a candle, a lit candle, inside. When the candle burns out, that means there's no more oxygen inside. So now we'll hook up a new filament. And now I'll light the candle. As the candle burns, it uses oxygen. If we seal this whole unit inside the jar, the candle will continue to burn until there's no more oxygen within the jar. If the candle cannot burn, then the filament cannot burn. Therefore, it should continue to glow. That was Edison's theory. So the candle has now gone out, so there's no more oxygen in the jar. So I will apply power to the battery, watch the filament. The filament glows, but does not burn out. We just reproduced an Edison light bulb.